Hey everyone, this is Joe with the customer experience team here at Rad Power Bikes. Today I want to go over quick measurements that are helpful for sizing yourself on a bike. We'll be measuring our height as well as our leg length. Measuring your height is a quick and easy process. All we need is a tape measure and a pencil. We recommend taking a height measurement if you haven't done so in a while. Take off your shoes and stand on a flat, hard surface with your back against a wall. Use a pencil to mark the highest point of your head on the wall. Then, measure the distance from the floor to the pencil mark. Easy. To measure your leg length, we'll use a tape measure and a medium width hardcover book. Stand with your feet about 7 inches apart and your back against the wall. Slide the book up the wall until it makes contact with your body. Measure the distance from the spine of the book to the ground. This measurement is helpful to compare with the listed standover height on a bike. The standover height refers to the distance from the ground to the cross tube of the frame. If you need to dismount the bike, it's helpful to have about 1 inch clearance over the cross tube. On our sizing pages, we list the maximum and minimum seat height for each bike. This measurement is in relation to the lowest point of the pedal stroke, so you can compare your leg length to these distances to ensure you get proper leg extension while pedaling. Additionally, we have a network of rental fleets across the country. Check our website to see if there are any in your area and you can take a test ride. Ride Rad and stay tuned for the next video.